my makeup always want to look good when I'm not going somewhere? Hey, B. Okay. What's good, y'all? Back at it again with another tutorial. I know it's been a minute since I last uploaded, but I'm trying to get myself in the habit of posting more content more often. So fingers crossed that your girl gets it together, okay? Y'all just bear with me. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I beat the face. Yes, period, okay? In no way am I a makeup expert or professional. This is pretty much all self-taught, you know. I basically just go with whatever I think looks good, so. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. So I'm starting off with my rose water spray and my MAC setting spray. Before applying my sprays, I did do my normal skincare routine. Beginning your routine with a clean canvas not only promotes successful makeup application, but also helps your skin in the long run. I am going to be uploading my exact skincare routine to my channel, so be looking out for that as well. Okay, once that's dry, I'm going to go in with my NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade Espresso, and I'm just going to fill in my brows. Once I filled in and brushed out my brows, I'm going to use my NYX Tinted Eyebrow Gel in the shade Espresso and just lightly go back over them. Without brushing my brows, I'm going to take my Ulta Beauty Brow Powder in the shade Medium Brown and my Anastasia brow brush and go back over my brows one last time. Now I'm using a damp Q-tip to clean up my brows. Now I'm going to be taking my Master Conceal in the shade Light Medium and my Morphe M432 and just going back and cleaning up my brows with that concealer.
When doing the top part of my eyebrow cleanup, I like to use my foundation instead of the concealer that I use for the bottom part. Now I'm just going to take my mini sponge and blend it out. Then I'm going to use my It Cosmetics CC Cream in the shade Medium Tan for my foundation. After that's all blended out, I'm going to take my Tarte Tape Shape in the shade Rich Sand and contour my face. When contouring with this stuff, I don't like to use a lot because a little seriously goes a long way. First, I'm going to take my Eco Tools angled brush and just blend out that face contour. Then I'm going to use the e.l.f. contouring brush to blend out my nose contour. To highlight, I'm going to use the Tarte Tape Shape in the shade Medium and just apply that all over my highlight areas. Using my Tarte Tape Shape in the shade Medium Tan Sand, I'm going to go back over my under eye area. Now I'm going to use my AOA Studio High Def brush to blend out my whole face. I'm going to be using the Airspun Loose Face Setting Powder to bake the face. After that's baked for about 3 minutes, I'm going to take my high def brush again and dust off all the excess powder. Now I'm going to be taking my matte face powder in the shade Medium Golden and just putting that all over my face. Now I'm going to take this Bare Minerals face powder in the shade Warmth and go back over my contour areas with it. The brush I'm using for this is the e.l.f. blending brush, I believe. I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty eyeshadow blending brush for my nose contour. And again, I'm going to be taking my AOA Studio high def brush and using that to blend. Now for blush, I use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette in the shade Butter, I believe, and I combine that with the e.l.f. Cosmetics blush in the shade Berry, I think. Highlight, I'm going to take the Becca Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Opal and this little blending like brush, and I'm going to first spray my face with the rosewater spray and then apply my highlighter. I'm going to be using a smaller brush for my brow bone highlight as well as the inner corner of my eye. Then with this little buffer brush, I'm going to go in and clean up all around my highlight areas just because I don't want my highlight looking all streaky. I want everything blended out very smoothly. And of course, I gotta have that extra sparkle, so I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm and go back over my highlight with it. Now I'm going to use my MAC setting spray to set my face. Then I'm going to apply my NYX Worth the Hype mascara. And of course, no true look is complete without lashes and lip gloss. For lashes, I'm using the Ardell 253s, and then for gloss, I'm using the Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Gloss.
Alright, so this is going to be the finished look. Let me know what you thought about this video in the comments down below. Drop some ideas on what you may want to see next on my channel, or even share some makeup tips of your own. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Until next time.